Complete your designs with the all-new ATOMSTACK P9. It's a high-quality, professional-grade laser engraver that can turn your imagination into reality. Its small, lightweight design is easy to install. In just 5 minutes, you have an industrial-level machine ready to use. We have adopted the most advanced technology today to give you a high-quality laser engraver in your own home. It's more than just a toy. The ATOMSTACK P9 is industrial engraving level and allows you to create high-quality professional products within your own house. The double-compressed 10-watt laser features a laser speed 5 times faster than traditional 5-watt laser engravers. The ATOMSTACK P9 features a large 3.5-inch LCD screen control, which allows cable network or Wi-Fi connection to your PC in order to control the engraving. The SD card also allows for offline engraving to create anywhere, anytime. The included metal plate will help you protect your surface from the laser. With an extreme accuracy, the laser can let you easily cut 10mm cardboard or 5mm black acrylic board with ease. It also allows you to carve or cut on metal, ceramics, and aluminum oxide. Use the expansion roller to automatically rotate your product 360 degrees to engrave cylinders and spheres. You can turn daily accessories into a unique gift or into a thriving business. Create professional-grade work with ease. The ATOMSTACK P9 is easy and safe to use, packed with safety features such as an upgraded security system, where the laser automatically stops when sensing abnormal state to prevent accidents. The protective enclosure around the laser protects your eyes from damage without the need to wear special goggles, and is made from glass and not acrylic to prevent any accidental fire. So be assured that your projects will be safe and easy to create professional quality work with the ATOMSTACK P9.